So it did a thing yesterday. I got an itch. I saw something online and figured, hey, I can do that. Uh, we're gonna see how it works out. I don't know, but anyway, you know, kind of doing a blackout. Blackout. So let's see what it looks like when we get to peeling the tape. Wonder what it looks like under here. I wonder if it looks like I had a beer. I did not, by the way, have a beer. It's funny, there's still bugs under the tape. I mean, this was really spur of the moment kind of stuff. I was just like, you know what? I found a roll of tape and I got some spray paint here that's that good old satin black. I think, you know, that'll make a good counter. Ugh, I got tape all over my hand here. Ugh. That'll make a good counter move to the chrome. You know, we like to do the blackout. That's what's all popular right now. So just peel it. Let's see if it's appealing. Alright. Whoop. Let's get a little bit rowdy. R-O-W-D-Y. Yeah, these are the old headlights. Just kind of doing this as a test. This is not an emergency. Had it been an emergency, you would have seen me actually spend more than $7 on a spray paint can. And $4 on tape. You would have seen me take a little bit more time if it had been something that I was really super concerned about. But how's that for a blackout? Blackout! Actually looks pretty good. Oh, I like it already. I'm going to start peeling off the rest and see what happens. You know, putting the tape on, that's the boring part. Pulling the tape off, that's fun. Pulling tape off is fun, yes. It really is. Kind of like that reveal. Remember they used to have on the... What were those shows? Like, I don't know. Remember that old TV show, Jenny Jones? Let's bring him out for the reveal. I'm dying to live. Cry out. I'm trapped under ice. Why is that Metallica song in my head? I'm trapped under ice. I just realized something. This headlight's way faded out. Compared to this one. Probably was parked in the sun more on this side. Something. Maybe this is the original. The other one might have been a replacement already. I don't know. I might be the 17th owner for all I know. I think I'm only the second technical owner of this vehicle. If you don't count the mechanic I bought it from, who received it as payment from a family of the deceased owner of this vehicle, who did all the mods to it, made it the Bronco Pickup that it is. It's People gripe at me about that. I'm like, dude, I'm just living out somebody's vision here of how cool it would be to have a newer half cab, basically. You remember original old school Broncos had what they called a half cab on them. Option anyway. Let's get this piece off here. As you can see, the vehicle is still very dirty. I mean, it's a used vehicle. It gets used. I was just doing this to see what some future cosmetic amendments could potentially look like. And you see there, the mirrors are gone because they're in there getting cured as well. We're curing them. What do you call? Drying the paint. There's a little bit of overspray. It'll come off eventually. I don't care. Gonna repaint this whole thing at some point, anywho. So just doing this on the old chrome. So what I did is I took a Scotch pad, and on the Scotch pad, I just threw the elbow grease on all the chrome that I would be painting. Scotch padded it up, kind of scuffed it up so it would take the paint and basically just this right here, little Scotch Brite, they call it Scotch Brite pad, and then take off the dust with your microfiber, tape it all up with your painter's tape, and then I just hit it with some 2X satin. So yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of this off without boring you with the process. I'll be right back. Well, I don't know about you, but I like the way that turned out. That's pretty sharp for a spray can, right? I mean, I like it. I'm gonna go to this other side. We're gonna put this one back on. Get it right here in my hand. I'm gonna put it right there. And it's gonna look something like this. There that is. If you're feeling some kind of way about any overspray you might see or anything like that, you know what, it's my truck. It's all right. I'm just doing this to see how it would look if I do it, the expensive way later. I also did something back here. I took that handle and de-chromified it. I made it black to match. Yeah, it needs work. It always needs work. It's a project truck. I mean, that's how it goes. Here's a hint, y'all. It's my project truck, and I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Hey, we'll see y'all next time, all right? Hey, go look at some other videos over there.